Goodbye, my friend. I'll see you after school. Make sure you always get your uniform on, pack your bag, and get ready for school every day.
Today, we will learn about good habits.
Good habits.
Take 5 minutes at the start of the day to plan out your main goals and tasks to stay focused. When you share of your Tiffin, you're practicing generosity. This is a wonderful way to show your friends you care for them.
It's recess time!
The cookies are delicious.
Yes, it is very delicious. Would you like to have an apple? Thank you! We should always share Tiffin with our friends.
Yes.
Always wash your hands and legs once you are back from school. If you enjoyed watching the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel.